Viva is always a terrifying experience, and if it's going to be a first Viva, it's going to be a nightmare for you. So in this video, I'll be breaking down exactly what to do before Viva and while presenting the Viva. My name is Vikram Akash and I'm currently a second year medical student, and let's begin. So we'll start with things to do before Viva. Since Viva is mostly theoretical part, how much ever you have studied for a theory is going to help in your Viva. The better you have studied for your theory exams, the better you'll be able to ace your Viva. So I'll tell you exactly what you need to do to ace your Viva. Always start with important definitions, classifications, and numerical values. Since a Viva is going to be point one questions, these will be the most things that will be asked by your examiner, and these are the best and easier way to score in your Viva. If you still feel like you don't have time to read those, always go with important boxes that are given at the end of each like a topic. After the end of the topic, there will be a box that is given. It will contain concise facts about the topic you have read, or you have not read and you have skipped it. So while you read that, will help you to gain the knowledge more better, and that will help you to score in Viva. After you are done with these important questions, when you go through the pages of your books, you might feel that there are some questions that your heart and mind says that might come for exams. These instinctions of questions are the questions you have to read before Viva, and these might come for your Viva, and these might be a different name of a peculiar name, that a name that easy anyone can ask, or it might be anything of that sort. These are things that might come for a Viva, and you must not neglect those. Since Viva is mostly on an entire syllabus or a part of the half of the syllabus mostly, always sit with your friends before studying for a Viva. Since it's all about facts and gathering information, when you gather a lot of information, it's going to make your process easier. So always sit with your friends and study for Viva. So this will help you to save time and also help you to score better in your Vivas. Since mostly Viva is based on a short-term memory rather than a long-term memory does play a part, but it is that short-term memory and that sweet spot that is going to help you to crack your Viva or going to score easily in your Viva. So how we have to do this is, when someone finishes their Viva and comes out, don't feel shy to ask their questions, and always get the questions from them and read those first before you start with other questions, like before 1 hour before the Viva or half an hour before the Viva. So this will help you to examine what the questions are the examiner is asking, and rather than you studying that is not important for Viva. The question that examiner asks your friend might be also the question that you are going to get on that day. So always do that part before you study and revise the entire portion like half an hour or 1 hour before the exam. So these are the most important things that you must do before Viva. So coming to the next topic, things that you must do while presenting the Viva. Always on the day of the Viva, present yourself in a neat manner. Iron your clothes. If you don't have time for that, wear an overcoat that is given to you while doing practicals. So this will not only help you to hide those things you have not ironed, and you will also get a good impression of the examiner on you. Always have a clean shave, and if you don't like to shave or if you don't have time, or at least go for a trim and keep it stubble, so you don't end up coming to the exam hall like a caveman. And always trim your nails in your hand. So since when you sit down, this is the first thing that the examiner is going to watch on you. So always have nails that are clipped and neat. Since MBBS is a noble profession, the examiner will look to you to be a professional rather than being a random student in your college. So your first impression is going to be the best impression of the day, and it will make your day. Always ask permission while you sit down for the Viva, and greet the examiner with a smile, and be confident while you sit. So your attitude speaks a lot about you when you give the first impression on you. Always make eye contact with your examiner. If you're not confident with your eye contact, use your hands a lot to distract the examiner off your eyes. So this will help you to focus, and it will make your body language also an easier way, and so you can present your Viva properly. So when an examiner asks the questions, and if you don't know the answer of it, never start bluffing, but always try to answer it. Trying to answer and bluffing is a different thing. So always give a shot at it rather than denying the question. If you are denying the question, don't tell them that you haven't studied or you don't know the question. Always tell them that you have studied and you don't remember the question. So this will help. This will give you an impression that you have studied something but you have forget it on a day. It is a happening that every student will face during the exams. Never bluff while you give your Viva. So when you start to bluff, you're going to put yourself in a hot area where examiner is going to ask questions on questions from the wrong things you are going to put it in front of him or her. So this will end up being a bad day for you, and the viva is going to be a worst thing for you on the day, and the examiner might also get fed up with you and give low marks in your exam rather than getting high marks in your exam. Some examiner values honesty more than anything else. So if you don't know something, or if you have not studied something, or if you don't remember something, always go with the truth to them, and they will feel your things. I mean, they'll feel your condition that you have studied something and you have forget it or like that. It's a human nature that everyone cannot know everything. So it is natural for anyone to forget things and not study things. So they'll understand it and they'll give the marks accordingly. So some examiners value honesty. Always take on the viva as chill as possible. If the examiner gets a little bit personal, go on a little bit personal, but don't go to the extreme that you're going to fed up the examiner with your personal things. So these are the golden things that you must tend to do before viva and while presenting a viva. If this video has really helped you a lot, please give this video a likes, and please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And thank you.